Have you ever wondered how those majestic mountains that dominate our landscapes came to be? Well, get ready for an incredible journey into the Earth's mountain building process. These giants weren't always touching the sky. They formed through amazing geological processes that span millions of years. Let's start with the basics. Our Earth's crust isn't one solid piece. It's actually broken into massive sections called tectonic plates. These plates are constantly moving, albeit very slowly, kind of like pieces of a giant puzzle. When these plates meet, something spectacular happens. Imagine two massive plates slowly moving toward each other. When they collide, neither wants to give way. Instead, the rock layers get squeezed and pushed upward, like when you push two pieces of paper together. This is how fold mountains form, including famous ranges like the Himalayas and the Alps. But that's not the only way mountains can form. Sometimes the Earth's crust can crack, creating huge faults. One side of the fault might push up while the other side stays put, creating fault block mountains. The Sierra Nevada mountains in California formed this way. And let's not forget about volcanic mountains. These form when molten rock, called magma, pushes up from deep within the Earth. As the magma reaches the surface, it cools and hardens, building up layer by layer. Mount Fuji in Japan is a perfect example of this type of mountain. The process of mountain building, called orogeny, is incredibly slow. We're talking about movements of just a few centimeters per year. But given millions of years, these tiny movements add up to create the towering peaks we see today. As mountains form, they face constant challenges from erosion. Wind, rain, and ice work to wear them down. But in many cases, the forces pushing the mountains up are stronger than the forces wearing them down, allowing mountains to reach impressive heights. Here's something mind-blowing. The tallest mountain on Earth isn't actually Mount Everest. If we measure from base to peak, that title goes to Mauna Kea in Hawaii. Most of it is hidden underwater, but from its base on the ocean floor to its peak, it's taller than Everest. Mountains aren't just spectacular landmarks. They play crucial roles in our planet's systems. They influence weather patterns, provide homes for unique ecosystems, and even help regulate Earth's climate. So the next time you see a mountain, remember, you're looking at the result of millions of years of Earth's powerful forces at work. These geological giants tell the story of our planet's incredible past and ongoing evolution. Isn't it amazing how our planet creates such magnificent features, from the collision of massive tectonic plates to the slow but persistent push of magma from below? Every mountain has its own unique story to tell.